Hey, my name's Kevin. My wife Michelle and I decided it was time for a change. We moved across the ocean to beautiful Vancouver Island and bought our dream house. We've always had a passion for mid-century modern architecture and design. So when we found this custom-built 1980s mid-century modern gem, we knew it was the one. The attention to detail put into this property and the scope of the build is pretty wild, but there's a catch. You see, the 1980s was 44 years ago, and this place could definitely use some love. Yeah, we have a huge amount of projects ahead of us. Like completely gutting this primary ensuite, restoring this greenhouse, reinforcing this deck, making a sick rock climbing wall, replacing this roof, uncovering the natural rock slab, removing these dead trees, renovating this kitchen, revamping this massive deck, rebuilding this walkway, repointing this brick staircase, building up my shop, clearing the back of our property, refresh these garden beds, blowing out these walls, landscaping this backyard, landscaping our front yard, continue enhancing this living room, renew this shed, fix what just happened here, rejuvenating these natural rock features, and perfecting the vibes in our solarium. Month by month, project by project, we will tackle each and every single square inch of this half-acre property and 3,300 square foot home. We have some massive long-term plans to make this house a perfect forever home for us and our hobbies. So yeah, we'll see you in the next video where we give you the full tour.